camping class setup. We have the M27 light machine gun with thermal and muzzle brake. You can change that out for rapid fire or armored piercing, but I prefer the muzzle brake and thermal. For lethals, we have the ID because we're camping, obviously. For tacticals, we can switch out the trophy system and the motion sensor, but I prefer the motion sensor. For perks, we have extra tactical, extra lethal, ping, and focus and hardline. And you can put fully loaded on if you want, but I don't need it. For kill streaks, we have the ID to cover your back when we're camping, sentry gun to cover your back when you're camping too, and then the helo pilot just because the helo pilot's awesome. I would like this time to thank our sponsors, Red Bull. Red Bull gives you wings. Scuf. Scuf is awesome, so get one. Control Freak. Improving your aim since 1999. Here are some camping spots. We're on Prison Break on top of this hill. There's only 2 ways enemies can get to you, so if you have an IED and a motion sensor, it's really easy to guard those 2 places. Here we have a good view of the guard tower and that little road right there. It's really easy to kill people from here. And you have a good line of sight over there and a good line of sight over here. And you can go up here if you want, but it's a little risky to shoot people rushing down there and there. Here, we're on strike zone. There's a lot of camping spots in this bar area. One is right here in the kitchen. This spot is best when you're working with teammates, but it's okay to camp solo. And here's another spot in this bar area. It's down here. And you should have a really good line of sight right there, and it's really hard for people to kill you because those stairs are providing cover. Another spot is guarding this doorway right here and just leaning over those crates or hiding behind the bar. This is on Fright, and there's only 2 ways enemies can kill you, so if you have an IED and stuff, it's pretty useful. And yeah, just watch this and you'll probably figure out the spot.